Roaring lions. 10 amazing facts. Welcome to the wild world of lions. Get ready for an adventure as we explore 10 fascinating facts about these majestic creatures. Lions are social animals. They live in groups called prides, consisting of several lionesses, their cubs, and a few dominant males.
The male lions are known for their impressive manes. These manes not only make them look regal, but also protect their necks during fights. Lions are skilled hunters. They work together as a team to ambush and catch their prey, which mainly includes zebras, wildebeests, and buffaloes. Lions have a roar that can be heard from miles away. They use their powerful roar to communicate with other members of their pride and to warn off intruders. Lions are known to be quite lazy, spending up to 20 hours a day resting and conserving energy. They are most active during the cooler evenings and early mornings. Lionesses have a strong bond with their cubs. They are caring mothers and teach their cubs essential hunting skills, grooming, and social behaviors. Lions are territorial animals. They mark their territory by urinating and rubbing their scent glands against trees, rocks, or the ground. Lions have big appetites. A male lion can eat up to 15% of its body weight in just one meal. That's like a human eating 70 hamburgers at once. Despite their size, lions are fast runners and can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour in short bursts. This speed helps them catch their prey. Lions are facing threats such as habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. But with conservation efforts, we can ensure a future where these magnificent creatures continue to roam the African savanna. And that wraps up our adventure into the world of lions. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing animals. Until next time, roar like a lion and stay curious.